Hey, how y'all doing? Well, we're gonna do burn number 3 on this pit here. I'm gonna go ahead and pour some coals over here, and then there, and I'm gonna move those to the side and this one to that side, and then I'm gonna pour some coals over there, right over there, just to kind of spread the heat out a little bit. I don't know. I guess that's kind of like the snake method or something. But we'll try to, get everything on fire. I just lit this and it's slowly starting to smoke. But we will see. Got some steaks and I got a couple of rainbow trout. All right. So it's a little chilly out here today. I think it's in the 40s, maybe in the low 50s. So let me show y'all what I got going on here. I'm gonna have 4 burning stations to kind of do a little searing on the grill on the corner. I'm gonna put the potatoes on the corner. Got some sweet potatoes. And I gotta remember to keep this chimney over the grill so I don't spill any coals. Yeah, so some of the coals will spill out. And I'm gonna go ahead and disperse these here. Disperse a few here. All right. Whew, that fire's hot, so there we go. I don't know what you call this. It's, I guess, like a pseudo snake. But we'll go ahead and put the grill on there. We'll put we got some rainbow trout, and we'll put that all in the middle. I tried to keep this thing clean. Hopefully it'll burn off. All right, well, there it is. Time to go inside and finish cooking. So I'm not sure. I'm cooking on the edge, and it doesn't seem to be getting as warm as it would, like with it all being in the middle. I think. I don't know, but I put some more charcoal on there. I need to cook these corn and these potatoes. These are sweet potatoes, and that's what's going on. I'm just gonna leave the pit open. Hopefully Chicky doesn't jump up on it, or we'll be eating chicken tonight. No, Marley. Nope. Nope. God, there you go again. All right. All the time. The fur missiles. Right, Marley? You're a fur missile, aren't you? Oh. Missed it. Poor Sky. She won't play with Marley because Marley beats her up. Ugh. So I got corn and sweet potatoes on there, and I'm just gonna freaking try to make this grill a little hotter. It doesn't seem to get as hot with it on the outside. So I just added some more coal, stacked it up, some lump coal, and just let it open. All right, well, so I got the fire all around the edge of the grill. But this part doesn't seem to be getting like it's hot. I guess it needs more air. I don't know. We'll we'll let the air get to it and kind of catch, because I added more coals to it. But back there, it kind of seems to be a little more hotter. Oh my God. Can you stop it? I know you want to play. But we'll let it open. I'm trying to cook some sweet potatoes on here. I cut them in half. I'm gonna see if my chicken. Well, yeah, she went inside there. She wanted to sleep over there, but we had a fox get into the coop and kill one of our hens, so they feel safer up here. I mean, a lot of y'all have seen my front yard. It looks a lot nicer than my backyard, but it'll get there. I mean, it looks like I have a lot of fire, but no. It's a little harder to cook on a 26-inch grill. It's just very challenging, or not challenging. It's just different. You gotta get like reacclimated to it. I think the best thing is the sear inside, because this grill doesn't get very hot. Well, we got golden rainbow trout here and here, and we got, I don't know if you can see these. We got little steaks. I got a New York strip right there, and then I can't remember what you call these little steaks. But I got these potatoes, sweet potatoes, corn, and they're halves, so hopefully they're cooking, but we'll see. Here, let's see how these. Kind of sear that sucker right there. Kind of sear this. I mean, you hear it all popping. It was around 500 when I got here, so. All right, bring it over here. Bring it over here. I'll give you a kick. Stop! It's because you bark all day, dog. These kind of got a little bit of sear. Let me sear this one right here. I'll sear it right here. There we go. A little hard to see out here. I have a light over here somewhere. I just don't know. Oh yeah, right over there. I need to fix it. Okay. We're just gonna do this. So, all right, so we got the trout, the rainbow trout, and then we're gonna have some small little steaks. And then we got sweet potatoes and corn, and then here are the steaks. They're kind of just heating up a little bit. But, Here's some sweet potato off the grill, nice and steamy, getting ready to get buttered and sweet and brown sugared, right? Mash it up a little bit. There you go, atta girl. You're getting an atta girl. You don't like atta girls? So, folks, how is it, Asani's?
Good.
Good. Good. Is it
Nice
good?
like the fish.
Yep.
Taste the
Here it
sweet potato.
is. Here's the dinner.
Dad, like